Hi, I'm Caroline, lead injector here at Balance Aesthetics and Wellness in Atlanta. If you've noticed sagging, hollowness, or that your face doesn't reflect how you feel inside, you're definitely not alone. But here's the thing, you don't have to jump straight to surgery to get natural, lifted, balanced results. That's where the liquid facelift comes in, a non-surgical approach that restores youth and structure from every angle. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, what it is, how it works, what to expect before, during, and after, and how we make it look completely natural. If you're into real educational breakdowns like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. If you've ever considered doing a liquid facelift yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts. A liquid facelift isn't about chasing youth, it's about restoring balance. And when done right, it's less about filler and more about facial architecture. A liquid facelift isn't a single procedure, it's a custom combination of injectables that work together to rebuild structure and revive harmony in the face. We use hyaluronic acid fillers to restore volume and lift, biostimulatory injectables like Radius or Sculptra to boost collagen, and sometimes neurotoxins to relax areas, pulling your features downward. But the best results don't come from what's injected, they come from where, how, and how much. At Balance, we use a full facial assessment protocol that looks at your entire facial structure, not just one area. That includes mid-face volume and cheek support, jawline and lower face definition, mouth and lip balance, tear troughs, under eyes, and temple and brow proportion. Each area interacts with the others. If you fix one zone and ignore the rest, the results feel off, unnatural. That's why we take a holistic, full face approach. You can't reverse 10 years of aging in one day. That's why we plan strategically over time. Every transformation starts with a consultation. We don't just look at wrinkles, we study the structural changes beneath them, bone reabsorption, fat pad descent, and skin laxity from collagen loss. From there, we create a 6 to 12 month plan divided into 3 phases. Phase 1, foundation. We restore volume in your anchor points, the cheeks, temples, chin, and jawline. Think of these as the pillars of your face. Phase 2, refinement. We soften transitions, correct asymmetries, and rejuvenate delicate zones like lips and under eyes. Phase 3, maintenance. We do subtle touch-ups and collagen-stimulating treatments to keep results natural and long-lasting. Every step from filler type to injection depth is documented in your custom plan so your results evolve safely and predictably. If this breakdown is helpful so far, comment Team Balanced below so we know you're following along and keep watching because the next part is where most people's fear of injectables disappears. During treatment, comfort and safety come first. We use topical numbing cream and lidocaine-based fillers to minimize any discomfort. For larger treatments, we use gentle nerve blocks if needed. Most patients describe it as pressure, not pain. We use microcannula techniques whenever possible. These flexible instruments reduce bruising and swelling and make the treatment safer and more precise. I constantly check symmetry from multiple angles to ensure everything looks natural and proportional. You'll see results immediately, but they continue to refine over the next 2 to 4 weeks as swelling subsides and filler integrates with your tissue. It's the difference between a quick fix and artistry that ages gracefully. Now, let's talk about what everyone wants to know. A full face liquid facelift typically ranges from $2,500 to $5,000, depending on anatomy and products used. But here's how we make it realistic. We phase it out. Instead of doing everything at once, we spread treatments about 6 to 12 months apart. That gives your body time to adapt, your budget time to breathe, and your results time to settle beautifully. Maintenance happens every 12 to 18 months with small touch-ups to keep balance and freshness. We often pair your plan with collagen boosting treatments like laser genesis, PRFM, or peptides to make results last even longer. Your investment isn't in syringes, it's in precision, safety, and artistry. That's what turns filler into facial restoration. Now let's clear up some common concerns. Bruising or swelling. Mild swelling is normal for a few days. Bruising is minimal thanks to microcannulas and careful injection technique. The overfilled look, not here. We follow one rule, facial harmony first. Every syringe has a purpose. Every point is mapped. The goal is restoration, not distortion. Downtime. Most patients are back to normal within 24 to 48 hours. Just skip intense workouts, saunas, or alcohol for about a day. Longevity, results last 12 to 24 months depending on filler type and lifestyle. With maintenance, they can actually improve over time as collagen continues to build. A liquid facelift is one of the most rewarding treatments we offer, not because it changes who you are, but because it helps you see yourself again. At Balance Aesthetics and Wellness, we design every treatment with intention, precision, and transparency, so you can age gracefully, not drastically. If this video helped you understand the process, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's been curious about injectables, but doesn't know where to start. And if you're ready to see what your personal plan should look like, schedule a full face consultation today. We'll map your anatomy, design your roadmap, and guide your every step of the way. Because beauty isn't about looking different, it's about looking balanced. That's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. See y'all later. Bye.